Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today we are doing the ignition setup for the Fiesta 1.6 liter. So what we see here, if you look in close, at least on this set that I have, who knows what the manufacturer is, they're actually labeled. But if not, you can just kind of trace these back or mark them in some way so that you don't get anything crossed, because this is an old coil pack with all of them on the same unit. So if these are incorrect and they go to the incorrect cylinders, you're going to make your problem worse, whatever you have going on. So what we have here is 1, 4, 3, 2. So 4 is the shortest one. Never change your spark plugs. I'm kidding. But I'm guessing these are original Ford plugs. So either they were replaced at some point or they are literally original. But then look what we found in cylinder 3. An auto light plug. Who are you? Who does this? Stop doing it. Don't be a cheap ass mofo. Just change all 4 spark plugs. It's not even a V8. They're not even like expensive. Just change them all out. What are you doing with your life? All right. So this bolt, it's a Torx. I want to say it's the 25 T25. Goes in this position here. It's the outermost one, closest to the driver's seat, and it apparently goes through enough to where it gets a lot of rust on it. So watch out for that, guys. If you're doing the coil pack on one of these, that was real tight. I was worried there for a minute that I was going to strip that little guy out, but a little lube, and I switched to my big boy 1/2 inch torque set from Harbor Freight, and that got it out without any issues. So now we are going to gap the spark plugs, make sure they're good, and then put the plugs in and install everything back. Alright guys, well, I just gapped the spark plugs, and I'm gonna see if I can get this to focus here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Cracked. This one is the only one I think that's not. These have to be original plugs. Look at that. All cracked. That one's not cracked. But seeing that, it's amazing this thing was running as good as it was. I mean, I've been driving it to and from work for days now, so I am thoroughly surprised. So we're gonna get these spark plugs in, we're gonna get the coil pack on, new plug wires, and I think this thing's gonna run like a dream now. All right guys, might be a little loud, the RPMs are a little high. I think I might have a small vacuum leak somewhere. I haven't looked into it too much, but it's running a lot better. The misfire check engine code, or SES light, whatever you want to call it, is gone. Yeah, so we are definitely much better off now than when we had the cracked and mismatched spark plugs. So that's where we sit right now. Matt from Just Wrench It. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.